you're an Irish mammy of a toddler or a baby, a really nice phrase in Irish to use is, or question is, Cad a ecin tú? What do you see? Cad a ecin tú. So this is because you're usually like looking out the window with them, or you're pointing at things and you're trying to teach them some words. So Cad a ecin tú, what do you see? And then you can follow it up with some Irish words if you know them. You can always have your English Irish dictionary on hand as well, just to look up quickly what something is. But you probably know so many words. You know Madra is dog. You might know Ruther is bicycle. You might know Boher is road. Cor is car. All of the words that you know that you learnt at school, and you can follow them up with that. So Cad a ecin tú, what do you see? Use it with your poshty bug out with your small kids, the babies and the toddlers. And also we do a free newsletter every week that gives you more Irish. So Irish for parents, Irish for beginners, and everyday Irish. Little mini lessons for you and the kids, and some resources as well. So make sure you're on that list. If you'd like some free Gaeilge every week. Slán go fóill, bye for now.